This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Enjoy panoramic golf course views from this 3-bedroom/3-bath home that is loaded with upgrades and newer items. Brand new tile roof just installed and newer pool cage. This popular Wyman Stokes built home has a highly desirable open floor plan and a large covered lanai for your outdoor enjoyment, both an eating area and outdoor living room complete with a gas fireplace along with heated pool and spa. The kitchen features 42 inches cabinets, granite counters, tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Tile in the main living areas with carpet in 2 bedrooms. Electric roll-down hurricane protection for lanai and front door with impact glass or accordion shutters for other windows and sliders. Other upgrades include tray ceilings, crown molding, plantation shutters, Aqualink pool remote control, etched glass front door and more. Located in the resort community of Verandah, which offers 36 holes of highly rated golf along with many other club amenities. Your new Florida home is sure to impress. For more information, review the details below.